Inside pass is stolen for team Dingras. Reese back-to-back 2 points for Team. He attacks, goes to the rim, and one! Inside pass to the baseline, fires off the window, nakabutas din ang Team Dingras. Nicolas, number 3, goes to the rim. Hook shot, bucket! And here you go, it's a jump ball, 17 under, Governor's Cup at Ilocos Norte. And first ball possession for San Nicolas. Kaka-jump ball pa lang, may bagsak na sa tres. Won't go fight for the rebound and goes, oops, the follow-up shot. And he pass, drives, block. And here's San Nicolas, number 3, goes to the rim, hook shot, bucket! Here's number 12, he pass, he fires a 3, won't go, rebound San Nicolas. And attacks, number 27, lays, short. The putback, bucket for 2. And 6-0 run tayo mga idol. And here's Team Dingras, number 2. Pass to the wings. He drives to the baseline. Floater won't go. Rebound. Dingras fires, block again. Backdoor inbound for Team Dingras. Corner pass to the middle. Number 2 to the corner. Inside pass to the baseline. Fires off the window. Nakabutas din ang Team Dingras. Dribble the ball. Number 27. Crossover move. Attacks, inside pass is stolen for Team Dingras. Delays, back-to-back 2 points for Team San Nicolas. Number 27 for the receive. And he pass to the middle, number 3. And pass to number 21. Attacking the defense. Jog stop, block! Rebound for San Nicolas. It's in hurry. He attacks, goes to the rim, and one! To Dingras. And number 25 is straight to the hoop, CC2! Number 3 for San Nicolas. High pass to number 21 to the middle. Number 7 fires off the window, bucket for 2. Number 2. He pass to number 1 sa tres. No good. And rebound here for San Nicolas. Behind the back dribble. Another behind the back, side step, lace, block. And here's Team Dingras. Lace, yes sir, off the window. Baseball pass. And another steal. 2-on-2 stop sa tres. Won't go. And number 21 for the rebound, attacks. Corner, bucket. Ups, he pass. Number 2 for 3. No good. Rebound number 21. One bounce and power. No good. Number 27 for Team San Nicolas. The rebound between the legs. Hook pass inside. Libre. Bucket. And number 2. Long 3. Bang! That's backdoor inbound for San Nicolas. Number 6 for 3. Bang! 3. Number 2. The chest pass. Attack, stop, spins. Kicks out. Number 1. Drives. Picks and fire, and there's a foul, and he passed to the middle. Stop for 3. Bang! 3 point. 20-13 ng score natin mga idol. And pull up J Long 2 bulls. Corner pass, nakalusot, lace, bucket, nag-game. Inbound Team Dingras. Down, bounce pass, bumangga, tira of the glass, wala. The follow-up shot and the finish. And bounce, he pass, number 11. Kicks out behind the back, step back. Far shot, long 2, no good. And another one, number 2. Corner, attacks, another pass to the middle. Pull up J, bucket and one. And down to 2 points. And that's dito para sa Team Dingras for the tie. No good. Fires short. Rebound. Oh, ang pinakamababang rebound. Oh, tinira pa rin. And fires to the rim. Fires off the glass. Up by 4. And stops si pass sa 3. Bang! Boom! And attacks. Lee short. And the rebound. Natapikan. And to add the lead. 3-point lead. And 28-25 score natin mga idol. And here comes Dingras. Attacks. Baliktad si idol. And number 16. Attacks. Bumangga. Hook lies. Oh! The scoop. And 30-25 score natin. Here's attacks. Number 96 sa 3. Bang! 3. And here's Team San Nicolas. He attacks to the middle. Uy! Nahuli. And for the backdoor inbound. Bounce pass. Inolok pass inside. Pinabitin pa. Tie game! And a backdoor inbound. San Nicolas kicks it out. Goes to the middle. Lays block. Not in my house. And Potter. Bucket. And stolen. Lumusot sa ilalim. Fire. No good. Kicks out. Inside pass. And fires. Bullseye. And here's number 96. And a cross pass. Oh, yun na! Libreng-libre. Bakit? Bounce pass. Another pass. For Team Dingras. Cross pass. Number 96. Between the legs. Bounce pass. Oop. Hinatid. Pinasa sa taas. Oop. Punogod. One bounce. And kicks out. For the lead. Bang! Up by. And stolen. Another. To add the lead. Lays bucket. 3-point. And here's San Nicolas. Crossover. Oop. Iniwan yung 4. Laban sa 3. At 3 laban sa 1. Bucket. And number 3 inside pass. Lays. Oh! Grabe namang is. And here's Team Dingras. Corner. Pull up J. Bullseye. For the inbound. Bounce pass. And here's number 25. Number 19. Pass to Insa sa 3. Bang! 3. And here's number 3 to number 21. Number 6. Step back for 3. Off the mark. Fight for the rebound. And the long pass. The floater of the window. Bulls up. And here's Team San Nicolas. Hugo step plays. Bucket. And pass to the corner. Block. Drive for Dingras. Too strong. Follow-up shot. Bucket for 2. Good short. Baseball pass. And ang layo pa lang tumira na. Bucket. And 12-point lead for Team Dingras. Here's attacks. Lays. Ginaliwa. And drives. Oops. Bagsak si Lodi dun. And he pass. Binit-bit Lays. Bucket. And down to 8-point lead. Number 8 pass there. Natapikan. Stolen. Number 6. Lays. Easy 2. And a baseball pass. Sakto yung pasa. Pinasa sa extra pass of the glass. Ang gandang. And number 3 to the wings. And pass. Recover. Drives. Naiwan yung 3 doon. Lays. Oh! The jelly. Stolen. And here's Team San Nicolas. They save the ball. Fakes. Sa gitna. Drives. Stolen. 3 laban sa 2. Side step lays. So bakit? Sumigsag. And naagaw. Umikot. And a pass break. Pass easy 2. At to 10-point lead. Crossover. Attacks. Fakes pass. Wow. Wala. Rebound. Putback. Wala pa rin. And the long pass. Oops. Please. Bucket. And this decided to take it easy. Corner to the middle. Drives. Pull up jumper. Bullseye. Here's Team San Nicolas. Number 16. All the way to the hoops. No good. Rebound number 13. to the middle. Attacks. Oh, grabe yung basket and one. Go. Rebound for Ding Ras. And attacks. Libre na naman. Bakit? San Nicolas. And a pass. Number 12. Oh, pinabitin pa. Pasok. Na 13-point lead for Team Ding Ras. And number 11. Bihoy. Nag-Jordan. Oops. Holding foul. And here. Oop. Double to sabi niya. Oop. And attacks. Fires. Block. Block. Oh, pumasok. Oy. And here. Stops. Picks. He pass. Number 4. To the corner. Baseline. Pass inside. One bounce and fire. Bakit? And number 21. He pass. And attacks. Pull up jumper. Won't go. Fight for the rebound. And sakto up. Stolen. Pull up J at the free throw. Bullseye. And 11-point lead for Team Ding Ras. Bounce pass. Spins. Lumusot. Pinasa sa gitna. And pass inside the floater. Bullseye. Seconds on the game clock. And ayun, libreng-libre, nakalusot. Uy, wala! Grabe yun. Grabe ang butas na yan. And stops. He pass. Number 21. Dumistansya. 18 seconds on the game clock. Attack. Side step. Pinasa kay number 7. Fast. Short. Rebound. Number 12. One bounce. Lace. Bakit? And here you go, behind the back. Straight to the hoops. Nice block. And that's number 21 for San Nicolas. He used the screen. He stopped for 3. Bang! Yeah, for the inbound, he passed to number 1. He goes to the middle. Floater shot short. Rebound, a putback shot. Bakit? And number 21. To the corner. Inside. Oop, 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 oop. Traveling. Behind the back. Oops. And number 21 goes to the rim. Easy way in. Back. And the long pass. One-on-one. And diretso of the glass. Wala. And a pass. Long 3. Bang! 3-4 for San Nicolas. A chance to lead the game. And Lace for the lead. Up by 1. Here's Team Ding Ras. One-on-one. Goes to the rim. No good. And here's Hugo. Stolen. And here's Team Ding Ras. Is a block. Kahit back the inbound for Team Ding Ras. He pass. He drive. He pass to the middle. Libreng-libre. No good. Fight. Oy! Naging shoot shot. And a pass to number 27, Basilio. Basilio. He pass. Full up J for 3. On go. Rebound. Put back. Bakit? And here. And number 25 drives to the hoops. And 1. And 2-point lead for Team Ding Ras. And here's Basilio Bumanga. Kicks out. Wide open for 3. In and out. Rebound para sa Team San Nicolas. Tires, no good. And rebound for Ding Ras. A chance to add the lead. Spins. Hook shot, may foul. And 76-73. 3-point lead for Team Ding Ras. And the cross pass. He fakes. Pass back to Basilio. Basilio, pull up jumper. Short. Rebound for Team Ding Ras. Liz, bakit? And here's number 6, Kaluta. Kaluta, pass to the middle, stolen. Liz, bakit? 7 point. And the long pass. Stops. Attacks to the middle. Block! And floater, wala! 4 minutes, 40 seconds left. And here's Team Ding Ras. He pass. And here, number 12. Kicks out. Ooh! Shot, 3 seconds. He pass. He stops. Setting the play. Shot clock down to 14. Behind the back dribble. Shot clock down to 10. Attacks. Recover. Bounce pass inside. Kicks out. Seconds to play. Oh, go. Number 7. He passed. Number 12. It's out. Wide open for 3. No good. And backdoor inbound. Bounce pass. Number 6 picks. Drives to the hoops. Bucket. And here's Tim Dingras. Sumigsag. Bumanggas. Alsik yung kalaban. Bucket of the... And here's Team San Nicolas. Pass back. Number 21. And step back. Hook pass. Number 6. Oops. Loses the ball. And spins. Pull up J. No good. And burst. Rebound. Foot back. And 1. Only for the final quarter. And fouls at 3. No good. Rebound, put back, block! Not in my house! And the long pass, libre pa! Easy bucket! And 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Number 6 inside pass, he fast. Stolen. And goes to the rim, lace, bucket! And a pass inside, libre na naman, easy 2! And Basilio goes to the corner. Umatake, pinilit. Loses the ball. Backdoor inbound. Kicks out sa 3. Bang! 3 po. And la long pass. Dalawa laban sa isa. Fires. Bucket! For the inbound to the corner. Sa 3 na naman. No good. And the long pass na naman. Libre picks. Oh! Oh! Wala! Yun lang. Put back. And then wala pa rin. Oh! Attacks. Wild open sa 3 ulit. Banking. Ito na naman sila ang Team Dingras. To the rim lay. Short. A pass. And inside. Basilio. Fires off the glass. Bucket. Ay, nagpipitro. Bullseye. Natapos na may nagpipritro pa. And that's the end of the game. Congratulations.